What we have here is a Tecumseh powered lawnmower that is not starting, and if it does start, it does not stay running. And I'll go through a few procedures to determine what the problem is and try to fix that. Well, first thing I'm going to check here is the primer here. Well, if you can see it, I'll just remove this little emulsion tube here if I can. Oh, stuck in there. But that little red tube on the very bottom there, want to see a little bit of fuel coming out of there. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but that is working. What I did is I took a locking pliers and I clamped off the fuel line, and next what I'm going to do is remove the bolt that's on the bottom of the carburetor bowl. That also is the main jet. I'm going to take that out. That is a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter will work. Okay, I removed the bowl here, and there seems to be quite a bit of dirt in there. I'm going to go ahead and clean that out. And I'm going to take in this little hole here. I'm going to stick a very small wire through there or a paper clip. Make sure that's cleaned out. Spray a little carburetor cleaner down there and put it back together, and I'll bet it'll run. Okay, I sprayed some carburetor cleaner, and there's a very tiny hole on the top of the threads there, and cleaned out that hole really well. And now we'll put it back together, and it should run. Okay, on the back of the carburetor bowl here, it is recessed a little bit. That goes towards the back on the hinge side. There is a small gasket O-ring type thing here. If it's in pretty bad shape, you'll need to replace that. And I'll go ahead and put this bowl on there, and then tighten this nut down, this main jet here, just a little over snug. I'll remove the pliers from the fuel line, and we'll go ahead and check for some leaks under the bowl there, and should be all ready to go. Go ahead and reconnect the spark plug. One thing that I highly recommend is when you purchase fuel is to purchase fuel without any ethanol in it, and add some fuel stabilizer to it to help keep it fresh. And if it's over a couple months old, I would just pour that in your vehicle and then get some fresh stuff and do that as well.